In an experiment, 8 grams of sodium carbonate powder was titrated against dilute nitric acid. The salt was crystallized and collected from the reaction. What is the mass of salt collected? Now you're given 8 grams of sodium carbonate and you're reacted with nitric acid. So let's write a reaction between the carbonate acid reaction. Sodium carbonate plus nitric acid produce the salt sodium nitrate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Now to balance the equation, I need to put a 2 here and a 2 here, and let's check. 2 sodium, okay. 2 nitrate, alright. 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Yes, it's a balanced equation. Now next, you are given 8 grams of sodium carbonate powder and you're asked to find out what is the mass of the salt. In other words, you have to find how many grams of sodium nitrate is produced. So first of all, let's calculate the molar mass of sodium carbonate. MR of Na2CO3 is equal to relative atomic mass of sodium 23 times 2 because there are 2 sodium plus relative atomic mass of carbon plus relative atomic mass of oxygen times 3, and that gives you 106. So the molar mass is 106 gram per mole. Now next, you are given only 8 grams. So let's find out how many mole were you given. Number of mole of Na2CO3 is equal to 8 grams divided by 106, the molar mass of sodium carbonate, and that gives you 0.075472 mole. At the moment, I keep the long decimal string so that I can get a more accurate result at the end. So from the equation, 1 mole of sodium carbonate gives you 2 mole of sodium nitrate. So I write down here, from equation, 1 mole of Na2CO3 produces 2 moles of NaNO3. And do you have 1 mole of sodium carbonate? No, you only have 0.075472. So hence, with the 8 grams, you only have 0.075472 mole of Na2CO3. You produce 0.075472 over 1 times 2, and that gives me 0.150943 mole of sodium nitrate. But we want to find the mass of sodium nitrate, so find the MR first. MR, molar mass of sodium nitrate, is equal to sodium plus nitrogen plus oxygen times 3 equal to 85. Then finally, mass of NaNO3 produced is equal to the number of mole 0.150943 multiplied by the MR, which is 85, So it work out to be 0.01500943 times 85 equals 12.8301, and therefore keep it to 3 significant figure, 12.8 gram of salt you get.